In this video, I will guide you on how to become a SHEIN model. First, decide whether you want to join through the SHEIN Partner Program or pursue traditional modeling opportunities. If you want to use the SHEIN Partner Program, then open up any web browser and visit the SHEIN affiliate website. Here, make sure that you have an active social media presence, as influencer and content creators with engaged audience have a better chance of being selected. Now you simply want to tap on the sign up option if you don't already have an account, or tap on sign in if you already have an account. If you're interested in traditional modeling, start by building a professional modeling portfolio with a variety of high quality photos. Next, stay active on SHEIN's social media platforms by engaging with their content and showcasing your own fashion related posts. You can also attend modeling castings and network with agencies or professionals in the fashion industry to increase your chance of being noticed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.